Hello, good evening, everybody. Another order from the best site of the world for the jerseys, MineJerseys. Here with another, this time with the Italy. This is the package. We take the this is for Italy. We speak about the jerseys for Italy for the Euro, UEFA Euro the 2024. The blue jersey is the home kit from Adidas. And we see for my kid, you see here the jersey. Italy, this is the logo of Italy with the 4 stars. It's the logo for Adidas. The size here, the size 16 is the smallest size for kids. Here's the 3 strips, red, white, and red. The air already is very cool. As like always, is a very good quality. Here we see the Adidas with the numbers. The site is with no number. Italia Chiamo from their anthem. This is the short for him. His white short with Italy. With the logo with the 4 stars and the Adidas. Here we see the full jersey, blue color, always from MineJerseys. We have in the package and the coupons. I support this site always, and I want from you to buy from these sites. Here's MineJerseys, 24-25 the kids. When you buy, you can use these coupons. If you use the NS6 for $6, about over than $36. NS11 is $11, over than $101. And the end, I support this site. I want from you to share this video, to go to MineJerseys and buy a lot of kits, trainings, home kits, another jerseys for another kits if you want. Goodbye.